Hey, buddy. We're waving from the Bighorn, wishing you the best.
Good evening to you out there, Ratchet. A27. Oh, worldwide Charlie Brown on this donkey stomper waving. I could have swore I heard Ratchet in there while I was in the kitchen. And by the time I made it to the radio, he was gone. Hey, Ratchet, worldwide Charlie Brown, working this donkey stomper from the Mile High City. I'm waving and stepping.
Up and down for you earlier on the flat side, then I switched to the ground plane, and it's the only thing.
SparkPlug, Tennessee. Mad Max want to wave at you one more time, man. Heard you come up in my receive. You started to make his separator start working.
Hey, Ratchet, I hear you in there, man. My noise level's about 40, 50 dBs right now, and the east side is washing me out. Good evening to you over there, 27, worldwide Charlie Brown, Denver. Me and this donkey stomper getting down.
All right, Charlie Brown, I got you about 10 dB on those code. Charlie Brown, I'm using a code 29 electric so I'm bumping it down when you go
Yeah, it's crazy, Ratchet. Man, you putting upwards of 60 dBs on me, but I'm still getting a washout from the east side. Hey, Ratchet, I'm waving at you over there, man, getting bits and pieces. You take it easy, take care. I hope you have a good weekend. Yogi Bear over there, Charlie Brown over here. Me and this stomper, we on the side.
What's going on out there, Charlie Brown? Hey, Charlie Brown, what's going on out there, big fella? Hey, Charlie Brown, old SparkPlug 10, standing by. Let me see if I can roll it up just a little bit. Hey, Charlie Brown, it should be right about there. And I can give it a little bit more. What's going on inside? Late modulation.
Roger on that, Ratchet. You said you was gonna roll it up some. Take a look at it right there. Hey, Ratchet, you looking good over here, man. I heard old SparkPlug in Tennessee ease up in there. Good evening to you, SparkPlug. Good evening to you, Ratchet. Both you boys sounding good in the Mile High City. Worldwide Charlie Brown. Me and this donkey stomper. I'm getting on down.
Oh, you know that. I appreciate it, Charlie Brown. Hey, I'm going to switch over to the flat side right there and see if it helps it out. But, man, I don't know. It just ain't that type of night. Seems like the ground plane working a little bit better. Hey, Charlie Brown, it don't happen too often that the ground plane works better than the beam, but let me see what it does right there. Charlie Brown, I got it pointed at Colorado. Come on back. No, my radio's working out there around Nebraska, no doubt. Good evening, time to see out there around Nebraska.
Yeah, SparkPlug, I heard you out there, man, but Ratchet, he switched to the beam and took you out. Good evening, SparkPlug in the 10. Charlie Brown says, we'll talk to you later. We're getting down. Hey, Ratchet, when you got on the beam, man, you went up to 60 dBs, took sole control of my radio. Ratchet with sole control. Charlie Brown on a donkey stomper, waving.
Charlie Brown, this Mother Nature just fell in my lap then because I was jumping up and down for you earlier. But then I couldn't get you till I got on the ground plane, and now I got you back in the sand. Charlie Brown, good to hear you bumping it down. Really, man, you sounded real good. I'm glad you made it back for your trip, and sorry for the reason you had to go out there. Charlie Brown, 27 West Side, working these 300 watts, and I got down.
Tim Roger, Ratchet, yeah, them 300 watts is working, man. I appreciate the condolences. And yes, sir, we did get back. Got back this morning and crashed out for a little while, and fixing to go back in there and crash out again, man. That was a long drive across the country by myself. But hey, Ratchet, yeah, man, I hear people on ground planes and beams, man. I mean, Mother Nature is off the chain right now. Good evening to you, Ratchet. Charlie Brown. Waving at you from Denver. I'm getting down.
You got it going on, man. Hold on, Tennessee, up to my radio. Everyone get in there and give you that wave. Let you know it's transmitting. It's on top of the pile that's coming up in here for sure. SparkPlug. Put it on you later. With a delay.
Mile High City. Hey, Charlie Brown, your talk show, while you bumping it down, and you probably got the fire alarm going for the smoke detector. Mr. Charlie Brown, Denver, Ratchet 27, Sacktown, getting down.
Yeah, it's starting to smell good in here, man. Ain't no doubt about it. Smells like good warm electronics. Hey, Ratchet, I appreciate the bump down. Always enjoy the QSO. Hey, Ratchet 27, Mr. Yogi Bear in NorCal. Charlie Brown in this Mile High City, this land of green nuggets. About 5,509 feet at the front door. Ratchet, I'll see you. Bye, 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 bye.
Alright, Charlie Brown, man, you got it locked down. I don't hear anybody else. Man. You got it locked down. And I had to leave Yogi Bear at the park, man. It was raining the roof out there.
Yeah, with the evening time there, I heard Charlie Brown up in there, man, up in Denver. Hey, Mother Nature's shifting around. Now I heard it. I thought I heard it earlier. I just want to get on.
Hey, Charlie Brown.
Me on this old stick in the air down here on the west side of Bighorn. Getting down?
10 Roger, Ratchet. I got it all, brother. Said you left a bear in the park. I'm sure Mom was glad that you left a bear in the park. And your wallet's going to be glad when you go to the grocery store. Your wallet's going to be glad you left a bear in the park. Hey, Ratchet, I'm going to get out of here, man. Take it easy, take care. Once again, I enjoyed the QSO. I hear 155 out there, so I'm going to get back on the side. Ratchet 27, Charlie Brown, Donkey Stomper, Mile High City. Back out.
Alright, man.
Oh, tell him I didn't mean to interrupt. I left him on the mile. Hey, wait a Hey, I'll get after it. I'll get back down over here. Hey, Charlie Brown, I'm going to do it on you later. 155, I'm getting down.
Alright, 155. You sounding good out there, man. I heard you say you turned it up a little bit earlier. When you did, man, that thing went to broadcasting. Hey, 155, you broadcasting down there in Texas. I'll catch you later. Charlie Brown, this Mile High City. Bye, 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 bye.
Hey, Charlie Brown, how about 815 in San Diego? Charlie Brown, 815 on the mail.
Charlie Brown told 815, no. Hey, Charlie Brown told 815.
Hey, 815, I heard you key up out there, man. Top of the day to you, 815. And then that old 27 Ratchet keyed up and said, hey, Charlie Brown, tell 815, no. Tell 815, Ratchet said, no. You boys behave out there. I'm going to go get me some dinner. I'm gone now.
Not much for us.